Hello, third grade. Today we are going to be working on a new module. We're going to be working on multiplication now that we have finished our clocks. So the first thing, let's quick do a tape diagram review. So if I have this problem here, I'm going to grab your notebooks and your pencils as well to take notes as we go. Jerry brings 3 water jugs to her soccer game to share with her teammates. Each jug contains 6 liters of water. How many liters of water does Jerry bring? So the first thing we're going to do is draw our 3 jugs. So here's our 1, 2, 3 jugs. And how much water is in each jug? 6 liters. So I'm going to draw 6, 6, and 6 for the 6 liters in each jug. So here's our first jug, second jug, third jug. So now, how am I going to create a multiplication problem to figure out the total amount of water? Because it says, how many liters of water does Jerry bring? So I know I could add 6 plus 6 plus 6, but we're not working with addition, we're working with multiplication. And just like my tape diagrams before, I can go how many boxes times how many liters in each box. So that is what we're solving for. So we can count by 3s to our 6th finger, but I can also write this multiplication another way as well, right? If I say 6 times 3, am I going to get the same answer? Yes, so let's try. So first what we're going to do is count by 3s to our 6th finger, and I only have 5, I can show you. So for the 6th one, I'll put my thumb out like this. So if I'm counting by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 3 times 6 is 18 liters. But now we want to go up by 6. So let's see. If my first one is 6, and I need to add 6 more, how much is the total of my 2? So I can go 6. And if it helps, you can draw 6 dots to add. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my first has 6, and if I'm counting by 6s, then I go to 12. And now I need to add 6 more because I need to know the total of this jug. So again, I can make 6 dots and count up if that helps. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I see if I count by 6s, I'm going 6, 12, 18. So it gets me the same answer. So both problems are going to give me the same total. We just switched the numbers. So let's go again, and we're going to now practice with our array. So remember, our array is how many rows times how many in each row. So let's see here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals what? So we could count by 4s to our 6 fingers. Let's practice that. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. But as we just learned from our other problem, we can switch these numbers. So I can go 6, 4. Now we're counting by 6s to our 4th finger. So let's go what we did before. We can count here. My first row is 6. I can go up 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it goes 6, 12. And remember, we can count our individual if that helps. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So if I'm counting up by 6s to my 4th finger, 6, 12, 18, 24. We get the same answer. So we will keep practicing our counting by 6s, but first we're going to look at this. So I'm not sure if you remember when we said our 2 7s, Now that we know we can switch our multiplication problems, we can also switch the word problems. So we're just going to do A, B, and C. So if I have 2 7s, which I know equals 2 times 7, now I know that I can switch it. Blank 2's, what am I going to switch? I'm going to switch the 2's and the 7. So I can say 7 2's. And that would equal 7 times 2. And I would get the same answer. Because 2 times 7 and 7 times 2 equal the same thing. We're just going to practice writing it out. So I have 3 blanks equal 6 3's. So I know 6 3's equals 6 times 3. So that means I would have 3 6's. So now I'm not going to practice, which would also give me 3 times 6. They give us the same answer, we're just switching them. But I don't want to practice counting by 3's, I want to practice counting by 6's. So let's see if we can continue to practice. So if I remember from just our array, in our tape diagram it goes 6, 12, 18. So I know I can go right here. It gives us the answer of 18. So now here, if we go down to D, now we are switching the problem. So 4 times 6 equals 6 times 4. What number are we missing? We're missing a 6, right? Because we can switch them to get the same answer. So let's count by 6 again to our 4th finger. 6, 12, 18, 24. So what we know is we can take our answers, our multiplication, and 4 times 6 equals 6 times 4. We can switch the two numbers only with multiplication and get the same answer. So let's practice again with another array. So we're going to write this array 2 different ways. So remember, the first thing we're doing is counting how many rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Times how many in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know that I can switch that and I'll get the same answer. But first, let's count by 4's to our 7th finger. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. And now we're going to count by 7's to our 4th finger. But if we're not there yet, we're going to write it out right by our array. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 7, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So now I know if I count by 7's to my 4th finger, I'm going to go 7, 14, 21, 28. So we're going to practice switching, but instead of just counting by the smaller number, we're going to skip count by the bigger number. All right. Thank you, and that is it for today. Your assignment will be on Edmodo.